Welcome back to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be removing that fan right there. This is a 1997 Ford Aspire. This pole right here goes to a umbrella, which keeps me cool because it's really hot out here. This is a Ford Aspire to be, I don't know, Aspire, just Aspire. So don't perspire, aspire. So remember not to perspire. Well, you can perspire, but aspire. So don't sweat the small stuff. Anyway, there's a fastener there, and there's a fastener down the bottom right, and there's an electrical connection right here. I'm going to put on these gloves, and I'm going to get right to it. Right back at you. These are 10mm fasteners, bolts, whatever. Hold them on. Took that one off right there, and getting ready to take this one off down here. You can see as it's sitting on the fastener. So, isn't that great? Oh, and you can't forget about this fastener right here. It snuck up on me. There, and then I got this one down here. Now that one, I had to put the ratchet all the way down, pull it all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, because it was just being a little silly. So I'm gonna get this fastener off, and I'll be right back. All right, as we journey, we find out that we just took off an attachment of sorts, and now there's another fastener right here. So we're going to take that off next. Okay, got that fastener off, and I used little small needle nose pliers and to help myself get this electrical connection detached, because sometimes they're a little finicky. And now possibly, oh, there's one at the bottom. There's a fastener at the bottom. Just gonna have to find a way. I don't want to get it from the bottom. Yep, we're gonna have to go for the bottom. It's down here. Right, so we got that bottom fastener out, and it sprang loose. And now, if it doesn't pull out the top, just go through the bottom, just like so. And out from the bottom, the bottom of the car, comes your fan. That was very fun to remove that fan, and then you can put a new fan in. Isn't that great? That's wonderful. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 fasteners and one electrical connection, and you have your fan out. That was really easy to remove. And installation is reversal of removal. So just put it back down in there, bolt it back up, and put that electrical connection on. If you want to be completely safe, disconnect your negative battery terminal connection and then proceed. But it's just a small plug, but be safe. Now, if you're having problems with overheating engine, Aspire, well, this could be your solution, is to replace the fan, because if your fan doesn't work, then your car won't work, because it'll overheat just like your computer. So we're gonna go over here to thumbnail lane. This is where I get my thumbnails. So my nice little background. That's beautiful, isn't it? That's where I put my my umbrella, because it's really hot and it just gets hot. So let me take this down. You can watch. That's what people do, is they watch other people do stuff. So we're just gonna take our umbrella over here to thumbnail lane. Get it in there. Make sure we have shade. That's the whole point, is to get shade. So now we have shade. So, alright. Hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great and wonderful day, whatever it is you do. And hopefully you get your problem with your car fixed. and this broke, but that's irrelevant. So have a great day. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. Matthumanpizza. Thank you very much.